Did you know that an estimated 80% of people who start an exercise program will eventually quit due to injury, frustration, or lack of progress? This staggering statistic highlights how common it is to make mistakes when working out, leading to setbacks that can derail even the most motivated individuals. Whether you're new to exercise or a seasoned athlete, avoiding these common errors is crucial to staying healthy and enjoying your fitness journey. Mistake 1. Skipping the warm-up. One of the most common mistakes people make is skipping the warm-up. It might seem tempting to dive straight into your workout, especially when you're short on time, but this can significantly increase your risk of injury. Warming up gradually increases your heart rate, improves blood flow to the muscles, and enhances joint mobility, all of which prepare your body for the demands of exercise. A proper warm-up doesn't have to be lengthy or complex. Spending just 5 to 10 minutes on light cardio activities, like jogging, cycling, or dynamic stretching can help prevent strains, sprains, and other injuries. Mistake 2. Poor form and technique. Another major mistake that leads to injury and inefficiency in workouts is poor form and technique. Whether you're lifting weights, running, or doing bodyweight exercises, proper form is essential to ensuring that you're targeting the right muscles and minimizing strain on your joints and ligaments. For example, improper form during weightlifting can put undue stress on your lower back, shoulders, or knees, leading to pain and potential long-term damage. To avoid this, consider working with a trainer, especially when trying new exercises, to ensure you're using the correct technique. Mistake 3. Overtraining and lack of rest. In the pursuit of fitness goals, many people fall into the trap of overtraining. This happens when you don't give your body enough time to recover between workouts, leading to fatigue, decreased performance, and a higher risk of injury. Muscles grow and repair during rest periods, so neglecting rest can actually slow down your progress. Signs of overtraining include persistent soreness, frequent injuries, irritability, and trouble sleeping. To avoid overtraining, make sure to incorporate rest days into your routine and listen to your body. It's also essential to vary your workouts to avoid repetitive strain on the same muscle groups. Mistake 4. Neglecting flexibility and mobility work. Flexibility and mobility are often overlooked aspects of fitness, but they play a critical role in preventing injuries and improving overall performance. Neglecting these areas can lead to muscle imbalances, joint stiffness, and a reduced range of motion, all of which increase the likelihood of injury during exercise. Incorporate stretching and mobility exercises into your routine to maintain flexibility and improve joint health. Yoga, Pilates, and specific mobility drills can enhance your range of motion and help you move more efficiently. Aim to spend at least a few minutes stretching after each workout, focusing on the major muscle groups you used. Mistake 5. Setting unrealistic goals. Setting goals is an important part of any fitness journey, but setting unrealistic or overly ambitious goals can lead to frustration, burnout, and even injury. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of starting a new workout plan and set goals that are too aggressive, like trying to lose a significant amount of weight in a short period or lifting more weight than your body is ready for. To avoid this mistake, set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down larger goals into smaller, more manageable milestones and celebrate your progress along the way. This approach will keep you motivated and help you maintain a positive attitude towards your fitness journey. Exercise is a powerful tool for improving health, but it's important to approach it with the right mindset and strategies. By avoiding these common mistakes, skipping the warm-up, poor form, overtraining, neglecting flexibility, and setting unrealistic goals, you can reduce your risk of injury, stay motivated, and achieve lasting success. Remember, fitness is a lifelong journey, and making small, consistent improvements will lead to significant results over time. Stay patient, stay focused, and enjoy the process of becoming your best self. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.